In the world of birds, size isn't everything. Some of the smallest birds are among the most fascinating. Kinglets are a perfect example. These tiny birds captivate us with their energy and beauty. There are two types of kinglets in North America, the ruby-crowned kinglet and the golden-crowned kinglet. Both are tiny, weighing less than an ounce. They're always on the move, flitting through branches with astonishing speed. Kinglets are a joy to watch. Their small size makes them seem delicate, but they are surprisingly tough. They survive harsh winters and make long migrations. These migrations take them thousands of miles each year. From breeding grounds to wintering areas, kinglets are true survivors. Their story is one of resilience and adaptation. Kinglets play a vital role in their ecosystems. They eat insects and help control insect populations. Their presence is a sign of a healthy environment. Learning about kinglets allows us to appreciate the wonders of the natural world. By understanding their needs, we can help protect them for future generations. Kinglets are migratory birds. They travel long distances between their breeding and wintering grounds. The ruby-crowned kinglet breeds in northern North America. It spends its winters in the southern United States, Mexico, and Central America. The golden-crowned kinglet has a similar migration pattern. It breeds in Canada and the northern United States. It winters in the rest of the United States and down into Mexico. These migrations are incredible feats of endurance. Kinglets fly thousands of miles, often at night. They navigate using the stars, the sun, and the Earth's magnetic field. One ruby-crowned kinglet was banded in Texas in March. It was recaptured in the same net in November. This tiny bird had made a round trip of thousands of miles. This is just one example of the amazing journeys these birds undertake each year. Tracking kinglets during their migrations helps scientists understand their behavior. They use bird banding to study migration routes and population numbers. By attaching a small metal band to a bird's leg, researchers can track its movements. This data is crucial for conservation efforts. It allows scientists to identify important stopover points and wintering habitats. Both ruby-crowned and golden-crowned kinglets are tiny birds. They measure only about 3 to 4 inches long. They have round bodies, short tails, and big heads. Their bills are thin and pointed, perfect for catching insects. Their plumage is mostly olive green, providing camouflage among the leaves. However, their crowns are what give them their names. The ruby-crowned kinglet has a bright red patch on the top of its head. This patch is usually hidden. The male raises his crown feathers into a fiery crest when he's excited or threatened. The female lacks the red crown. The golden-crowned kinglet, on the other hand, has a bright yellow crown stripe bordered by black. In males, this stripe is bordered by a vibrant orange stripe. Both male and female golden-crowned kinglets display their crown stripes. Despite their small size, kinglets have loud voices. They constantly flit through the branches, flicking their wings and singing. The ruby-crowned kinglet has a song that sounds like a tiny jumble of high-pitched notes. It ends with a distinctive loud whirring sound. The golden-crowned kinglet's song is a series of high-pitched Z's that descend in pitch. Learning to identify their songs can help you find these tiny birds hidden among the leaves. Kinglets face numerous threats. Habitat loss is a major concern. As forests are cleared for development, kinglets lose their homes. Climate change also poses a threat. Changes in temperature and precipitation can affect insect populations, which kinglets rely on for food. Pesticides and collisions with windows are additional dangers these birds face. Fortunately, there are many ways to help protect kinglets. Supporting organizations that work to conserve bird habitat is crucial. The Army-Compatible Use Buffer program is one example. This program helps protect land around military bases from development. This benefits kinglets and other wildlife by preserving important habitat. Participating in citizen science projects like bird banding provides valuable data for scientists studying kinglet populations. Making your backyard bird-friendly can also help kinglets. Providing native plants, feeders, and a water source can create a welcoming environment for these tiny birds. Reducing pesticide use and making windows safer can further protect them. By understanding the challenges kinglets face and taking action to address them, we can help ensure that these tiny jewels continue to grace our forests for generations to come.